selling through Mindanao and Luzon and then Visayas. Okay. Nice. So this is the project of Luzon. So we have Rafael Homes, Primal Enslaved, and then Primal Quirino. For the Visayas, so we have Primal District located na siya sa Lapu-Lapu, and then Primal Point located na siya sa center of Cebu. If naka-familiar with IT Park, doon na kayo siya anak. Okay. Next. And then for the Mindanao, so we have Primal Capital, the Township, and then Miraville 1, and then Miravilla Homes. So, wala siya itong project. So, may nawin din sa mga Mindanao po talaga or na yung mga dito, mga kanang mga relatives. So, pwede ka pa maka-cross-selling. Okay? So, this is the awards and recognitions of Farm Road. So natin yung Lamudi, Property Guru, and then Cooler. So, this is the future developments project pipeline ni Prime Road. So, na may mga upcoming projects Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. So, next. So, why Cebu? Ano sa Cebu man tampalit? Nice. So, history. So, we all know that Cebu is the oldest city and the first capital of the Philippines. And then, history witness. So, for the culture, so familiar ba ang tanan sa Sinulog? Yes. So, every January, moadto sa taon, Santo Niño sa Cebu City para mag-alagad sa atong bata na ninyo, di ba? So, city is daghan na tourist spot. Sa mga nasa south, sa north, so daghan jud siya o kanang tourist industry dito. Masa na siya usa sa mga kanang mo invest nato. So, next. Strategic location and accessibility. So, daghan na o kuan si Cebu. Agiana, daghan na siya grade. So, nanatay third bridge. Natay first, second, third. And then, ang next na po nga bridge, ang natay tungkol soon is from Cebu to Bohol, to siguro. So, kabawan naman sa siguro mo na no. So, Cebu is really booming dyan. So, next. Thriving IT BPO industry. So, usually, ang atong mga clients sa Primal Point is mga kanang call center or BA. Kay si Primal Point is doler siya sa IT Park. If nakaato na mo IT Park, wala pa sa Cebu. Mao ni siya atong kusog kaayo dito sa Cebu City, mga call center agents. So next. So mao ni siya atong location, which is doon ra kaayo siya sa airport. And then money homeowner by establishment, so we have resorts. So si Primal is here is of resorts, guys. And then commercial areas, we also have hospital, and then schools, churches, and industrial. So we have MEPS 1, MEPS 2, kanang mga international na siya ng company dito sa Lapu-Lapu. So next. So Primal District is a residential condominium. So 10-story building with total lot area is 4.6 hectares. So this is our amenities. So we have al fresco, lobby, and then fitness gym, and then swimming pool. Naana ni siya dito, ma'am sir. So I know naana yung nakaatong agents dito sa moang site. And then next. We also have gym. And then function room. So if you have upcoming birthdays or events, pwede ta sa mong function room. Next. And then, muna siya mong pool. Next. Okay. So, ay nga nakala ko ang swimming pool ni Primal District. Naana ni siya dito. Makita na ni siya. And then, convertible court. Pwede siya volleyball, tennis, basketball court. So, Primal units own first. So, we have 1 bedroom, 22 square meter. We also have with balcony, that is 25. We also have 34 square meter, and then 45 square meter, that is 2 bedrooms without balcony. If with balcony, that is 50 square meter. And then we also have studio, 30 square meter, and then villa, and then parking. Ang ganang gihatag ni Sir Danny nga ma'am na dala ang rate sheet sa Primal District, which is kanang color yellow. Wala siya atong price list for the prime road. Next. So this is our 1-bedroom with balcony. That is our artist perspective. Next. 2 bedrooms with balcony. And then, mo ni siya atong Tower P. So this is the typical floor plan of Tower P. So we have 3 views. We have amenities view, south sky view, and then east road view. Next one. Also for the Tower H, same as yung view set, ang nakalike lang dito is na siya sea view. Next. And then for having Tower L, same residential view, amenities view, east road, and then south sky view. So buyers promo for Tower P and H. So a special promo, reserve a unit starting April 1, and then you will get 50,000 worth of appliances upon move-in. Lolo, nalipay.
Wow.
So if may client ba nga kanang more reserve, so abot pa sila sa mong promo. And we also have bundle promo. So if kumuha og unit si client ang parking, na siya 50k worth of appliances plus 150k TCP discount plus 10% equity. So now, taon discount. So malipay din itong buyers ani bouncer. Next. If unit lang alone ang kaon ni client, we also have discount yapon. 10% equity discount. So at least, pero mas better if katong bundle from unit and parking na sila. So next, so payment terms and financing. For the Tower P and H, so 10% equity, payable for 30 months without interest na siya, ma'am sir. And then the 90% balance can be loanable through banks and Pag-ibig. And then we also have 30-70, ani ni siya. Pwede ni siya 10-90, 20-80, 30-70. So si Primal District is flexible na siya when it comes to payment terms. So reservation nato ma'am sir is only 10,000 pesos. For the Tower P and Tower H and Tower L, atong reservation is 10,000 ra. So nga na siya kabarato. So note na atong prices dira is inclusive na siya transfer fee. So all in na ato ang prices dira, ma'am sir. So next please.
10,000.
Okay, loaded. All in na siya itong prices. Wait lang tamang. We have since the Tower P and Tower H is already existing. And then naamay units nga RFO. So naapay early move-in, then occupancy fee. So si client, if ganahan na siya mo puyo dayon, mo sponsor siya within 3 months, and the remaining is iyahan na siya i-pay within 24 months. But nakapuyo na siya. Yes.
Present ba?
Or siya ganang rent-to-own. So when napuyo siya, nagbayad siyang unit. So laan.
Masa may kulsa na
So last 30,000 discount on the remaining balance when there is loan approval within 6 months. So for example, si client kay hapit na mahuman siyang everything, mo apply na naman siya og bank loan. Para if ma-approve na siya, mo less pa just to iyang TCP og 30,000. So if human niya og bayad siyang equity ma'am, transfer din siya sa iyang bank. So dili siya pwede idungan siya. So kagaya ra plus additional pag siya 10,000 for the agent. So dili lang kay si buyers ang naapod si sellers. So next. So requirements to move in. So if may mga client or anong mga ipangluto o mga client, pwede rin i-offer si Primal District. So this is our requirements to move in. So, move-in fee, electricity fee, and then 24 PDC for the equity, and then 12 PDC as a guarantee check. Mga na siya ito ang requirements upon move-in. So, next. Salaries and salaries na rewards sa mga ganahan sa mga agents. Diba? Kaya ganahan sa mga dato, diba ma'am, no? So, for the tower fee, for